Okay, so this seems like as good a place as any to go ahead and address the subject of the war. Um, the the war that took place here in the 90s was devastating. Obviously, there's genocide as well, and it was um, really destructive in Mostar. And so, what you see here in Mostar is still some of the signs of the devastation. Mostar was probably the most heavily damaged city in Bosnia-Herzegovina, and so you can still see the signs of that in places like this is the Glass Bank building, or was the Glass Bank building, also called the Sniper Tower, because this is where the snipers would pull up on top of this building and shoot, towards the other side of town. And so it's completely bare on the inside. Now they've cleaned it up a lot since the last time I was here, and they've closed it off so that people can't get in. So don't tell anybody that I figured out a way in. But it's hopefully going to be redeveloped at some point, or demolished, one of the two. But if you make it up, it is a really cool view of the city. So you also will notice that there's a ton of artwork, and that's because every year, well, first of all, graffiti artists, but also every year Mostar has a street arts festival. And so I think that instead of just having people do negative graffiti, they turned it into positive, and they turned it into this really awesome festival where people come from around the world, and they just do a piece of art on the side of the building. And I'll definitely show you some of those because it's really pretty cool. So, but like I said, if you get the chance and you figure it out, I'm not going to tell you, but if you figure out how to get up here, it is a pretty cool view of the city. Just be careful. So the good thing is that there's a lot of rebuilding happening as well. And if you look behind me, you'll see there's a new Marriott going in, this hotel, and it's, who knows when it'll be done. It was still in construction the last year when I was here as well, but that's a great thing, because last I checked, I think that they have about 1 million tourists a year that come to Mostar. So it's a good thing, and the rebuilding is definitely happening at, I don't know what the pace is exactly, but it's definitely noticeable every time I'm here.